Hi, this is Kathy from the Art Process Studio. I'm excited to bring you the series of videos on calm creative freedom through mixed media and collage. Making papers is the first stage, but as you can see here, there are so many ways in which you can use these papers in an incredibly creative way. Many people have told me that they're overwhelmed with all the mixed media and collage ideas that are out there on YouTube and videos. So I've built a very simple course for you that is we're using building blocks. So I start with basic materials, making papers, and each step will lead on to the next until you're ready to put things together. The calm creative freedom that comes from working like this is so inspiring, and I invite you to join us. I'd love to have you join our journey at the art process. You'll leave wanting to make more and more art.